Lips were normally stained with color during this time, so a deliberate swipe of lipstick is not advisable for this look. Instead, using a lip brush and beginning at the center of the lips, paint on a berry red or a bright red lipstick, carefully filling the color in all over the lips. Use small strokes to fill in the lipstick so that all the lines in the lips get filled with the color. Use the flattened tip of the brush to shape the outline rather than a lip pencil. The stain should appear deeper in the center of the lips rather than out on the edges.